Yo, what is up, guys? It's me, Rob. Thanks for tuning into the Raw Knowledge YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to make the perfect protein shake. So what we're going to need for this, we're going to need a little blender bottle. I'm using the Contigo blender bottle here. And we're going to use some almond milk and also your favorite protein powder. I'm using an extreme milk chocolate by Optimum Nutrition. This combination together tastes like straight up chocolate milk. All right, so we're going to go ahead and pour in 8 ounces of almond milk. And I like to weigh it out just because I'm a little neurotic about my calorie tracking. So 240 milliliters should be right around 240 grams on the scale. And we went a little bit over, but I will track that accurately in my calorie tracking app. So I'll put it to 250 milliliters instead of 240. Tear that out, and then we're gonna put 1 serving of protein powder, which is 32 grams. And we have our little blender ball in there already. So 25 grams and 32.7. Let's go ahead and just put that up to 33 and I'll adjust it in my calorie app. There we go. Now we're just gonna go ahead and put that bottle on, the lid on I should say, and give her a good couple shakes, and that blender ball inside of there will go ahead and do all the mixing. Now, I like to use almond milk instead of water or regular milk because it tastes a lot better than water, and it's a lot lower calories than regular milk, and it's also healthier for you. Only has 3 grams of fat, some sodium, and 2 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of protein. So that's how you make the perfect protein shake, guys. Make sure you give it a try. Let me know if it helped you out. Smack the thumbs up if it's helped you out. Hit the red subscribe button. Turn on post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. We've got some videos we're getting in the backlog here, so we're going to plan on uploading a video every day for the rest of this year, hopefully. Thanks, guys. See you later. Peace out.